Naghanap ka ba ng abot kaya, rent-to-own minimalist house? One bus ride lang going to Manila? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. For as low as 5,000 reservation fee, ay kayang-kaya mo nang magkabahay. Dahil dito sa Westdale 2, minimal lang ang ating down payment. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay nangungupahan, ay tamang-tama ang ating rent-to-own minimalist house na located sa Barangay Punta 2, Tansa, Cavite. And yes, one bus ride lang to going to PITX dahil along main road lang ang ating subdivision. Minimum lot size is 36 square meters. Kaya naman may extra space tayo sa front and back na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. At may floor area tayo na 45 square meters. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 12,000. Kaya naman kung pasok ito sa preference mo, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!